clean drinking water in Gaza remains the same. In the heart of displacement, where the pain is deep, the shortage of clean drinking water increases the diseases and pollution. This is why we are here, to bring a lifeline to the heart of displacement and to the needy Gazans. Today is Saturday, the 12th of July 2025. We, الخدمت USA, in partnership with the الخدمت Foundation Pakistan, are distributing clean drinking water for the needy and displaced people at the Sheikh Ridwan area in the north of Gaza Strip. Thanks for you being there for us.